this is where you can download Voicemeeter over here. And once you download it, you can open it. It should look something like this. So I'm going to teach you how to use Voicemeeter now. Firstly, you should go over here, right click, go to Windows Legacy, then go to Sounds, go to Playback, and make sure Voicemeeter, so if you scroll down, Voicemeeter VAIO3 input, it says your default device, so you just click that. Then auxiliary input, it says your default communication, just press OK. So now, it should look like this. This is your output. So make sure A1 is your main output. So for me, it's this one. This is connected to my DAC. And if you have any other outputs, you can connect them as well. Maybe later we can do some others. So, because this is my default, all my outputs will go out over here. So you can see Amazon Music is going through this. So if I turn A1 on, whatever comes through VAIO3 will come out through here. So if music's playing through Amazon, so if you want to add another device, you can go to your output, click that, and then select your other device. So for me it's the party mix. So if you click that, now we have a new output, which is this column over here, A2. So if you click A2 on any of these, and you have an output, it will go through this. So if you click A2 on your mic, hello, it's now going to go through your output. If you do that with your sound, your music, it should go through A2 now. Same thing if you do it with your A1. You can do this with all your different outputs. The next cool feature about Voicemeeter is this thing over here. What this lets you do is it lets you record anything you want. So any audio in your PC, you can record over here. So I have it set, so if you right click on this, it gives you this. And then you can choose what gets recorded. So I chose P1, which is the virtual cable over here. So anything that goes through P1 will get recorded, as you can see. So this is the mic. Make sure you have that set up first if you want to record your voice. And for me, this is the mic going through my DAC, like that. Yeah, so if I turn this off, you won't be able to hear me, so that's not good. So everything's going through B1. So if I have the sound set up on B1 and I have the physical output turned off, then only you can hear the turn the music off. So if you press the record button, now it's actually recording everything. It's going through B1, so my voice is being recorded. On the left side over here, this is all of your mic inputs. So any mic that you have will go through over here. And then you can add yourself an EQ to your voice if you want to. And you can add an echo if you want. It's very weird how this works. I'm not sure what this is exactly. You can change your position, left or to right. Over here you've got your gate, so if you want to cut out, create a threshold, so if anything goes below that a certain point, it will just completely cut out. So if there's anything below like 5 decibels, you can cut that out. So yeah, so you can cut out like annoying sounds they don't want to hear during really quiet points of your singing or something. You can compress your voice as well. So if you right click this, you'll get some more stuff, which I'm not sure how to use just yet. Adjust your threshold if you want to. That can be pretty helpful actually. So anything below negative 50 decibels will be cut out within 10 milliseconds. Or you can change it to a second. Then your hold time is how long it holds it for. So now it takes 4.9 seconds. Then your release time 5 seconds. So now it's completely cut out. Okay, so this is the equalizer. Right click it to open it, and you can turn it on, put some music on. So you have 8 channels. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 channels. And the center one is your decibel knob. Increasing it, you'll increase your decibels, your gain. The bottom one is your Q, how specific it is, how specifically you affect that frequency you want to change. If you decrease it, you make it very wide, and yeah. The top one is your frequency knob, so which frequency you want to change. So if you want to affect the highs, then you can do that, just like that. You can make your highs very crystal clear. This one is very good for cutting out like resonance, or well, it's very I think it's a bit too wide really, as you can see, but sometimes it can be helpful. I'm not sure what this is exactly, but I think it's good to pinpoint a specific frequency that you don't need, or that you like maybe, I guess. I don't know. But it's fun to play around with it. This is very good to cut out harsh frequencies or top ends. Yeah, I use it a lot for the speaker. This is yeah, so you can cut out your sibilant areas, I guess. This is a very good one to boost your high ends or your low ends. So if you want to make your bass just a little bit stronger, you can do that easily. Just like that. And then the one on the bottom is just for the high ends as well.